Evi you turn or are they? For your for few months now. Or you in a mere way, Emia of you here. I am your way. A manager, Unari, your Maya bear is sitting on ye. They we are buying a monitor manager, try not feeling with you or a manager or I don't really understand.
Daddy, I don't understand what you're talking about.
You don't understand, you need to understand that. If you think back and go and rehearse everything, we are monitoring our file. Interest a company, a capital, a manager. Last 2 months, he only my paying the workers. It was the capital which I worked there. That is the money we used to pay.
Daddy, I'm trying to make money.
No. Hey, my dear. You make money. Oh, Sally, near Harry way you make money. Well, am I making fresh money? That's my money. The money in the one you talk. There's no new client. The life doesn't go like that.
But that is not my fault. I try my best.
Then whose fault?
I do my best.
Whose fault? You need to understand that I'm not complaining, then I'm still complaining, my dear, because we a certificate of well at we are finishing school. I was so impressed. That is the reason why, in a way, you have to be there for me, because on what can you invest in? Do I make result of winning or show where Ogele Mwayo a penny. And the man in Africa, and I bribe that Africa, they went to your block when you are with the Canadian. This is Europe. But what I'm saying in my company, or my correspond with a degree in where you mean.
That I still can't understand what you are trying to say.
You're supposed to understand, my dear. Last 2 months, Capital Maya pay salary. Capital, Maya pay salary. Even in the one you talk, Osan Wasi, Aya pay salary. There's no new customer. Even the old customer, they are dropping.
It's not my fault.
But it's your fault. The manager in a no, manager. No, we again even when I say we do your buying now. Things we are going fine more than this. I work hard. Me normally school where you in a certain building company to that level. It's not easy.
Daddy, let me understand something here. I do not preferring another person than your own daughter. Who are you talking? Who are you praising now? You are praising what is it called? That Martis that always. You ever see is his father that holds the company? I'm trying my best. You have to praise me because I'm trying my best.
My dear, your best is not enough. You are contradicting this issue here, right? Mary Martins, we only get a Peter.
That is what is annoying me most. You always praise that boy Martins. You always praise him.
You are trying to close that company, you know. How? Okay, we want to hear him. That is
what I don't understand because we always make money. I check the account. I always check my account.
That is my money. So okay, since 1 year now, even new customer here. Deacon we me running. Osanroto we
That is not. It is not my fault.
Look, it's not your fault. The new people we are employed now, my dear, watch out. Watch what? Out. If you think you are smarter than every other person, no. Let me tell you one thing. A lizard tail will always look like the one of crocodile, but he can never compare himself with crocodile. You are my daughter. What I'm saying while sitting down here is more bigger than what you see when you climb that rock tree. Try to understand what I'm saying. If there's any other thing behind it, you better be one.
Daddy, what I want to let you know, give me some credit here. Praise me at least. How? You don't praise other person more than your own daughter.
I will praise him that did a very good job, not you that you are bringing the company down. You are bringing that company down because there's no income. You haven't given me anything like credit there.
All the people you employ before I came in,
yeah.
they are not smart enough. They don't know what is business.
But they were smart.
I will appreciate that if you can just let them just take their acts. Let other people.
There you are, my dear. Let me tell you, if you think that you are smart, and your father is smarter than you, because what you don't know is this. I understand exactly what is going on. While sitting down here in my phone, I can tell you everything that is going on there. Physical or spiritual, I am your father. You cannot tell me what I know. If you think I will sack those boys, no. It is you. I will change your position so that that place will be higher. Making a ragon, no we work close a company or email. No back. Who will be yellow here? No yari. They want work by your school. No more mean win a whole well of here. You fail. You fail. You fail. Or one no fear eat me up on no cocaine at all. You see those boys. He money at the beer. You know. Neither did the tourist Stella and Ronnie. Neither did the tourist Stella Ronnie. If you can be complaining these boys like this, working out, it's short always tell anyway, we only want, my dear, you better change. You better change.
I can see the reason why those people, they are not respecting me. When I ask them to do something, they are not respecting me. They don't do it the way I want it.
My dear.
When I try to talk to them, they will always refer to your father was not like this. Your father give us that. All those kind of things, I don't want it and I don't like it.
Kate,
you are putting it down before them.
As I'm talking, I order you to remain silent and get out from here. Immediately.
I'm sorry, Daddy, but it's the truth.
Shut up, man.
Praise your daughter for once. I'm trying. Yes, come in.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon. Anything?
Yeah, ma'am. So how are you? How are you enjoying the new office?
Am I enjoying the new office?
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm doing great. It's fine.
Okay. Please, with all due respect, I don't know if you'll be able to. I would have loved you to have lunch with me this afternoon after work.
To have lunch with you?
Yeah.
For what?
I don't mean any harm, just to have lunch with you.
For what?
What?
Have lunch with you for what? I don't understand. How dare you? How dare you come to my office to come and have lunch with you? In where?
No, I was just trying to extend my good gesture.
Trying to do what?
My good gesture, man.
Did I ask for it?
You know, in this office, we have been functioning like that. We do one thing together with everybody. We don't keep malice in this office, man. And as you understand, your daddy also made you to understand that I should be with you and make you to understand how the company is going. I really wanted just to
Let
go out
me
for
warn
lunch.
you. Let me warn you. That was my dad. And I make it clear to you that in my time, everything is different. And I don't know who gave you the gust to come to my office and go out with you to go and have lunch. In where? In that dirty place that you people, I don't know what you eat there. The nonsense you people eat there. How dare you?
Without due respect, man, I didn't mean any harm. Okay?
And let me sound a warning to you. Let today be first and last that you repeat this nonsense.
Okay, man. Thank you.
God, what nonsense! I don't blame him. Look at the privilege my father just gave to him, a son of a nobody. Come into my office to come and ask me for lunch. Oh my God. Anyway. Wow. I know what to do.
The nose mask is masteria no we have venom. Uko na afọ na maya ekeni aka mu ne mi ameri ya mu ni agbo. Logo we la ya gbe. Yo. Ya kana television yo to. Ege ni mana hayiri na gide kana na wa agbo kana. Ma ya to. Sabe se o sa gi we ni o ya bi. Arriba aí. Kate arriba. Kate.
Okay. Sir, Daddy.
Larry.
Daddy, boy.
Boa. Yeah. Okay. There we are. Obi wina bia ye. La ya mo re ngani mo ko se obi. Yo. Sayo. Mario, yedo eni aya se anyo. Ogi redo o magi redo ni ase. Wa bi. Omo. Iti we ba. Na kana wo mo ari agun. O si yemi no ha ewu. Igo nwata no. Igo ni me ehwa iyen wike yawo. Iyen wi yawo bi wa mi. Ade mo ya fe ni bien. No we yawo igitma olori wa ero igitma enwi na dan nda agboya awaga inosi moto maria ami makaliki mo do leni o se ni pin abona ina pa mo se na egese lórí ọ̀dọ̀ lukunya o meri ni mo ewe ya mo re o egese mo.
Dad, getting married is I can't just go to the street. Iwa pick no. I suppose ni gwale ni like. Ni gwale ni love. I need to look for the one love.
E o gi on mi. Na you say gbe go alo. Kebe igo na mu yo ko un a kan ayo to. No ya yere ya o ewe egbe ni kere mama ya o yo we go na amu yo bi ma won e ma ya ma Riodori odono enegbe eyiguaro. We can set in Hamime way, when we saw Senam Moses say, we hope we are going ra, almost so, ra, almost so clear. Or I hear you, really come money. Big wine, you.
That is not about that. There are many men, but you know, the family I came from, many men want just to, because of that money, they want to run after me. That is not what I'm looking for. I need true love. You only need God. You are not going to women.
You don't need true love. Need true love. No way. Come on. No, where the nice now you only son. What a gas ya be gaj. What ye
Daddy.
Nani ho. Boni walo wana. Alai. Wa. Muda. O. No do pe afie kun se ya bien no pe ani. No pe afie kun se ya bien no wewe. Opo ni wa ewe yo pa ko money. Wa mo ga bi boni. Ni wa ni kama we egese ri o pe are ego ege iyu egi ege mai mu pa amuwere ari ege. Ngo
Okay, Daddy.
hey,
But I have to look for the man that will love me. Not because of my money, not because of my father's money.
The man that will love me. Yeah, come on, you
That was all the days now. You can't compare that time to this time.
That time to this time, Nina. Even why Jerry and that time my aqua talk. Now you have you one ya. I'm a living in your pan my hang over ye. Kiri bois. Bois. It don't call. I dare you go to the I call you one. Who was over where we was able.
And then all you say no one will again me. Yeah, you marry.
Don't be that. In my day, when I tell you,
Daddy, yadi ere.
yadi
Wo mu we.
Oh,
Yadi ere.
my man, uti ya fulefe.
I will make you proud, Daddy. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Proud.
Yadi ere.
Oh, my yawe.
Where's Daddy? Where's the Daddy?
Oh, for me. Wawe. Pepe soup ni when you are of your own.
Hey, Daddy.
Oh.
Continue. I can't continue with you. I can't continue with you. I've been telling you all this thing. I've been telling you, don't know me, don't ever call my life. I'm fed of this, what I've been warning you about since. I've been warning you, change your way, the way you live. I don't like it. Look at what is going on now. I don't know you, you don't know me. Don't ever call my life. This relationship is, I just end it now.
For matter. Oh boy, I never agree for this school. For this school. Oh, cool. That go hear word now. Not be like. We back here. Don't worry, eh? Once we finish exam, then we know the way we take care of the land. My I have finished on here. I don't come out.
I begin to love this Mattis. He's not like Roland. Roland is very arrogant. Doesn't take his studies serious. How am I going to present that to my father? He can't walk. And this Mattis, the way he behaves, so calm, very gentle. I've insulted him so many times. He's still very gentle to me. The way he talks, he's presentable. And another thing, I think my father will also like him if I present it to my father. my God. God, take control. I just have to make a choice. Roland is out of it. I can't present that to my father. How am I going to ask him to go out with me now for lunch? I've insulted him so many times. Well, let me call him. Let us go for lunch. I think I can start with that. Hello, Mr. Martins. See me in my office. Now. Okay. I think my father would be happy to see him as son-in-law. Come in.
You sent for me, ma?
Yes, sit down. How are you?
I'm fine. Is there anything you want
What
me
are
to
you
do?
doing?
I'm busy studying the device.
Okay, you can leave that for now. I want to go out for lunch. I want you to go with me.
Should go with you
Yeah,
for lunch.
yeah.
It's alright.
Yeah,
Anything for you, ma?
go and read your tape. Go on, let's go. Calm down. Everything's okay. Okay?
It's alright.
Calm down. I can see you are still a little bit shaking. But yeah, go and read your table and let's go. Okay?
It's okay, ma.
You have no choice. Okay? Let me off this. Okay. Okay. I think I'm okay up today.
This office is office.
Yeah, I could very nice. Yeah, bang mu yumuru. They just went up now. Yeah, that and manager. I only feel more tell.
What that? How is this schedule man you talk?
I'm very cool. Hey, respectable. What coffee with it? I'm very change this thing, boy. Hey, it's not very respectable. You don't get it here. Don't bother them.
That tell you no. That is very nice. Because in this office, the office, now we do work. I mean, this over. This is the CEO office. Then no matter that. Non sono web now. Let's see lunch. Okay, lunch.
Oh man. Wow, around. All right, okay. Later.
All right.
That dress you were talking about, I saw it on one Italian shop. Let me show it to you. That Balenciaga. Let me show it to you. I saw it on one Italian store. I think you will love it. Even the other shoe you were talking about, that high. When I saw it, woo! paid for the seatbelt. Let me show you the dress first. Look at it.
Wow.
It's of two colors.
Wow, I love this color.
Let's check the blue. Let's check. Okay. Yeah, this one is mixed with blue. Wow. Let us put it in the car so we can pay for it. Let me put it in the car and pay for it. Already we need to pay for it. Wow. But this one will just go to their shop so we can test it. You know the other store is in Italy, it's Italian shop. So we just go to the shop later, test it. Yes. Yeah, the moment we leave here, hope we are going for lunch.
Okay, anyone?
We'll leave here, we'll go for lunch then.
After the
lunch, then we'll go straight to the shop.
Okay. I think that is okay.
I'm very happy I have you. Very happy I have you. I was almost lamenting when in the office all the time I see your face. Thank God I have you. So babe,
Yeah, only.
huh? To go and see your father. That should be nice. Babe, do you know I've been thinking about telling you this. I don't know. I said let me wait a little bit, let me not be too rush. Because I think it is proper for the respect I have for your dad, it is proper I have to make it official. It is not good, it will not be proper that your father will not come and see for himself or hear from outsiders that I am going out with his daughter and I didn't think me fit to come and let him know.
Yeah, I know it's going to surprise. I'm the same thing. I know he will not take any action. I know my father is going to wait to taste.
Yeah, he has been my father as well. He has been my father.
Yeah.
You know. So what about after work on Friday? I know Dad is always at home on Friday. Doesn't go to meetings. How about that? After work?
It's okay. If you're okay with that. I'm not busy after work.
No, how can I be busy with how can I be busy with something like that? Oh, so that let's just say immediately after work, we'll just go straight to your house. So I will make it official. I'll also see Daddy's wedding.
That's okay.
Let us play a little.
sit down. Daddy. Daddy.
Very bien. Manager. Comment ça? Comment ça? Comment ça? Comment ça? Voilà, bien. Comment ça? Quel est ton ouais là? Comment ça? Oh, ouais, ya ouais, oh, nous y a tiens. Oh, my God. Comment ça? Oh, yo. Comment ça? Comment ça? I hope there's no
problem with us. I don't know.
company.
Company man, we are doing great, sir.
Okay, come on, I hope.
Everything is okay, sir.
Yeah.
Everything is fine.
Okay.
Sir. Don't sir.
We got that. Easy way. I'm a wagon. Maybe we understand. Mana wa be gun amu ye gbe ye wa be ti e ogun e gun aje re we iho mo ni oyi re iberi ewe
Daddy. Boy.
Keti oyo o ma ma me re o wa ile de tu wa ile gbe na me ma re
Daddy.
onye wo we o pa me no ase no pe oyo
Boy. Yes, sir.
Ah oui, bien bien. Et nous contrat here.
Daddy. Daddy, you are looking beautiful today,
I'm always a to here. Kai ari ogo ko ne. Odo le sage yige. Iyo. Yeah, I say you see. Only communion pay can you add 1 year every day by the nearly communion. On no Saturday.
Thank you.
Martins,
Sir?
here now.
Yes, sir.
Daddy. I love my daddy.
Oh, no, wait, I love it, daddy, love Manager.
Sir? Everything is fine, sir. Sir.
That's you. Daddy.
You when I got a corner again.
Daddy. You know you're telling me to
Yes, man, when I didn't me when we manager, or we come when we see you at because a mono.
Daddy.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Me manager, Umakwe. What you for?
I only daddy.
Nothing.
When is your daughter? Yeah. Daddy.
Oh. Era ene gwa fo ba wo yi. Do ba gbe do sagbe. Ita. Iwe igile e fi me don. Even when my instincts never tell me lies. Any oye?
Sir.
Ugwazi.
Where's it, daddy?
Akin, magwa.
I want to have more.
We akin. My boy me agwa. It's my son, you know.